Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry for the background music. I think someone's watching TV in the living room. But anyways, I finally got my order from BH Cosmetics. The top is a little open because I did want to see how it was packaged, but I have not looked at anything yet. So, if you guys want to see this video, and stay tuned after to how I received this lovely. And with that being said, let's jump on into this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and that little bell right there, go ahead and press that so you can be posted for whenever I decide to post a video, you know. So I did order a total of 7 things because I got one for free. I got a color switch. So what that is just like a little of a sponge in it to help clean your makeup brushes. So inside it's just a little sponge, but you just wipe your brush on it to change the color. Came in this bag. Okay. Came in the bag like this. My sister tried to go through it and ripped it. See, that's why I don't like people touch my stuff. These 3 big palettes. And then 3 kind of mini ones. So the first one we got is the Marble Collection Warm Stone. Really cute. You guys know I like warm tones, so why not? So it's like this. I don't know if you guys can really see all these, but they're just like really warm tone colors. This is kind of like a white color, and then this is an orange. This one is the Midnight City 16 color shadow palette. I got this for free for spending like $30 or more. So it's just like this, super cute. Just really nice colors. This is a really pretty blue. I don't wear blue or green, but I really like both of those colors. Like, I'm excited to maybe try some looks with these. On to the next one. The next one I got is a Glam Reflection Smoke. Looks like this. This is a 15 eyeshadow palette. Okay, that is it. I don't know, but it looks like this. Look at all these nice colors. I'm really excited to try and use this. So as you guys know, I don't really do eyeshadow, so hopefully this will inspire me to do more eyeshadow. Hopefully. And then the last 3 are the really big ones. It's a Modern Matte. It's 28 eyeshadow palette. So I got 3 of these. So this is 3 different ones. This is the only matte one. But it comes like this. It's a pretty good size palette. It's got 28 shades. And like I said, I don't do bright colors, so girl, what is this? What is all of this? But look at all these colors. They look really nice. I haven't swatched any of them yet, but let's see. Let's see. Ooh. So like I said, these are all matte. All mattes. So excited. So excited. We got the foiled eyes. So I got the foiled eyes part 1 and foiled eyes part 2. Do you hear this? Like, what? Okay. Again, very large palette, very large pan, a little bit more shimmery colors in it, like this purple and this blue. They're super shimmery, but these are really nice colors as well. Like, girl. And then the last one, I'm going to explain to you guys why I decided to order from this website as well, because girl, this is a lot. Foiled eyes 2. It says the okay, honey. It kind of almost looks like the other one, but it does have a little bit more, like, little different colors in it. So this is what it looks like. We still got some greens in here, some blues, some jealous, but I don't do. But the reason why I ordered off this website is because there was a 50% off sale, like for the whole store, and a lot of these palettes were like $6 to $8. I want to say these were $8 and these two were like $6 or something. I'll put all of them down below so you can see how much they actually were. But girl, this is a total of 5 palettes, plus I got one for free, and the color switch, and I only paid $45. So girl, if you're not subscribed to them, to their little thing, do it now. And I didn't even need to use a coupon code because everything was already 50% off. So yeah, that is all for this unboxing video. Stay tuned right now because I'm going to post this look. So without further ado, watch this video. But hey, great seeing you guys. Hopefully I will be posting other videos soon. Don't hold your breath though, just don't.
DavidSanyaBeats.com. Purchase beats with no tags. DavidSanyaBeats.com. Purchase beats with no tags.
This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you guys want another unboxing, then comment down below, let me know. Hit me up on social media or whatever. Let your girl, you know what I'm saying, you know what I'm saying. Anyways, little babies, have a great rest of your day.